1. Rising temperatures. The Earth's average temperature is increasing. This means that globally it's getting hotter. We experience more hot days and fewer cold days. This warming affects weather patterns, sea levels, and ecosystems. 2. Sea level rise. As temperatures rise, ice in glaciers and polar regions melts, adding more water to the oceans. Additionally, warmer water expands. This causes sea levels to rise, leading to flooding in coastal areas and islands. Communities living near the sea face higher risks of flooding and erosion. 3. Extreme weather events. Climate change makes extreme weather events more common and severe. We see more intense hurricanes, storms, heat waves, and heavy rainfall. These events can cause significant damage to homes, infrastructure, and agriculture, and can lead to loss of life. 4. Ocean acidification. The oceans absorb a large amount of carbon dioxide, CO2, from the atmosphere. Increased CO2 levels lead to chemical reactions in the water, making it more acidic. This acidification harms marine life, especially organisms like corals and shellfish, which struggle to build their shells and skeletons. 5. Warming oceans. Oceans are absorbing much of the extra heat from global warming. Warmer oceans affect marine ecosystems, causing problems for fish and other marine life. Coral reefs, which are vital to ocean health, are particularly vulnerable, experiencing bleaching and death due to the heat. 6. Habitat loss. Climate change alters natural habitats. Rising temperatures, changing rainfall patterns, and extreme weather events can destroy habitats or make them uninhabitable for certain species. This leads to a loss of biodiversity as plants and animals struggle to adapt or move to new areas. 7. Ecosystem disruption. Ecosystems are communities of plants, animals, and microorganisms that interact with each other and their environment. Climate change disrupts these interactions. For example, some species may migrate to cooler areas, while others cannot, leading to imbalances and potentially the collapse of ecosystems. 8. Crop yield changes. Changes in temperature and rainfall affect agricultural productivity. Some crops may not grow as well in warmer climates, leading to reduced yields. This impacts food supply and can lead to higher food prices. Farmers may struggle to adapt their practices to changing conditions. 9. Pests and diseases spread. Warmer temperatures and changing climates allow pests and diseases to spread to new areas. For example, insects that carry diseases like malaria or dengue fever can thrive in regions that were previously too cold for them. This poses new health risks for human populations and challenges for agriculture. 10. Heat-related illnesses. As temperatures rise, people are more likely to suffer from heat-related illnesses such as heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Vulnerable populations, including the elderly, children, and those with pre-existing health conditions, are at higher risk. Heat waves can also increase mortality rates. 11. Water scarcity. Climate change affects the availability of fresh water. Changes in precipitation patterns can lead to droughts in some areas, reducing water supplies for drinking, agriculture, and industry. This scarcity can lead to conflicts over water resources and force communities to find new sources of water. 12. Displacement. Extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and changing environmental conditions can force people to leave their homes. This displacement can be temporary, like evacuations during hurricanes, or permanent, as seen with island communities losing land to rising seas. Climate refugees face significant challenges in finding new homes and livelihoods. Climate change affects our planet in many ways. Rising temperatures cause ice to melt and sea levels to rise, leading to coastal flooding. Extreme weather events cause damage and disrupt lives. Warmer, more acidic oceans harm marine life. Natural habitats are lost, disrupting ecosystems. Agriculture suffers, reducing food production and spreading pests and diseases. Human health is at risk from heat-related illnesses and water scarcity. Many people are displaced due to environmental changes. Understanding these effects is crucial to mitigating climate change impacts.